Hey guys, welcome back to another Dolphin VR video. I have my best friend. What's your YouTube channel name?
Okay, my YouTube channel I just started like a day ago. My name is Little Caliber.
Okay.
Cause my dad has a YouTube channel named Higher Caliber. So I thought
So go subscribe to him, or I'll find where you live and attack you.
Or I'm gonna lick your toes at night.
Okay. Grab this sword.
Yeah,
Grab this sword. We're gonna have a sword fight. Grab this sword.
I don't really
grab
want
this
to.
sword. Grab this sword. Grab it! It's right there.
Sorry, you know what? Let me put my flashlight in my bag.
Why would you empty out your bag? Empty out your bag. You put the sword inside of the bag.
No, I did not. Of course I did.
There. I'm taking your sword.
Did he? Okay, where's my? Okay.
Okay, come on, bro. We're gonna have a sword
I
fight
need-
for the grand finale to see who's the best YouTuber. All right, whenever I undo this and do this, we're gonna start fighting.
Daisy!
Ah! Come back, little bro. I'm not finished with you. Come on. Attack on Titans. Oh my god. I got him, boys. I got him. Mine now, broski. Mine
Don't take my
now,
stuff.
broski. All right, here. You can
Okay,
have your
don't-
book bag back.
Don't attack. I said
Come
don't
here!
attack me,
Come
son.
here! Come here! Get your swords! We gotta go for round 2.
No, I'm not going around still.
Alright, I'm about to go unlock more stuff. You coming with? You coming with?
And then we can go into.
Okay. I'm still gonna attack him. He doesn't know it. Come here, come here. No! No, that was a trick shot! Oh my god! .50 caliber. Should I get the shield or should I get something else? I think I'm gonna go for Hulk hands to here. Yeah, I think that's the best choice that I might be able to do. So let me do that. What is this? Oh my gosh! Gas. It's a shotgun, bro. No! I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die, right? How am I not dead, bro? Well, I'm happy that I'm not dead. But, like, how did I not die? I'll miss you, sword! Well, I guess it's time to go see him. Bro, is he still here? Did he leave? Hello? He left. Coming. Whoa! I'm about to hit him with an arcade machine. Bro, come back. Come back.
Bro, you better not hit me with that thing.
Yo, wait.
I'm coming.
Yo, wait. Is he gonna come? Die then! Oh.
Bro, really?
Give me my sword! Give me it!
Okay.
Give me! Thank you. I wasn't even really trying to kill you. I just accidentally did it, so I just started doing it more.
Bro, really?
Yep.
I will end your life right here now.
Oh, really? Is that so? Is that so, mister?
No! No! It isn't! It isn't!
Is that so?
No!
Come back. Is that so, mister? Is that so?
No.
Okay.
Bro, shut your ugly ass up.
What? Alright, come on, get your sword. Come on, get your sword. Get your sword! Get your sword! I spent so much money on the sword, and this is how you're gonna treat me with the swords? Bro, just get a dang on sword, and then we can sword fight, bro.
Bro, I actually want to go
I'll buy
play
you some
Animal
Takis. I'll
Company.
buy you. What?
I don't even like Takis.
Yes, you do.
No, I don't.
Okay, then. I'll buy you ammo.
I don't need ammo.
I can't afford. I can,
Let's go play some Animal Company, man.
Yo, look. Yo, bro, come here. Come here, bro. Look. It's a cake. Look, it's a popsicle. See, come here. Come on.
Okay. You idiot.
I can't see. I can't see.
He actually just ended himself.
Now that's my sword. Give it back. I'm gonna kill him. I'm going to kill you. Give me my sword. Ah! No.
Hello,
No!
man. Hello. Hello. I'm going to kill you.
Is that so, bro? Is that so? I'll kill you first.
No, please, man. Okay, you know what? Here's your sword. Here's your sword.
I don't need it back. We can have a sword fight if you want one.
You know what? Here.
Come here, little bro.
No, I don't want to do a sword fight.
Okay.
I have rights.
Can I show you my fan art that I sent to the Discord?
Sure.
I don't think they put it on the board. I wanna have to look.
You're gonna attack me, aren't you?
That one's mine.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Mama, if you kill me one more time, I'm leaving.
No. Alright, actually,
Okay,
come
I'm
on.
gonna go-
Come on.
Yeah, let's go.
We're gonna go to sewers and kill everyone. Okay, bro?
What?
Come on, bro. Yo, come on. What are you doing? Get a flashlight. Yeah, get the flashlight. Oh, my bad, my bad. My bad, bro. My bad. Get the
That's my flashlight. I bought it.
Come on.
Go.
Bro, remember when we used to play this game all the time? Bro, don't take my stuff. Please don't. Did he just put his butt in my face? What is wrong with that little kid? Come here!
Actually brained.
Ah!
Bro, is bro actually brained?
What? What did you say to me?
No! Oh, okay, you hit me once. That's all. You do not hit me another time.
How much health do you have?
Not a lot.
That's enough for one hit.
One more hit and I'm dead.
Ah! It's a chicken.
Bro, take the flashlight.
Come here. Come. Kill him.
Bro. Ah!
Bro. Oh. Oh my god. My bad, bro. I accidentally hit you.
Bro, put the sword down.
We gotta get a rocket launcher.
Do that, but put the sword down.
We gotta kill the dang on chickens, bro.
You can kill one, and then really put the sword down.
Okay. Bro.
Put the sword down on the ground.
No. I'm going to eat
Or I
this
will
for
shoot you.
Tros. You don't have a gun, I just realized that. Num num num. Oh. I think I need to poop.
Ow!
Num num num. New chicken! New chicken!
Ah, shoot! Good job, bro. Now you can.
They're running! No, my bad. I can't see. I can't see. Why are they screaming?
Probably because you're trying to abuse them.
Why? He's floating. Little bro had
Bro,
enough. Little bro had enough, and now he's floating away. Come back,
Okay, come on.
chicken.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, no.
Okay, bro, let's go.
I got revolver ammo. I ain't shotgun ammo. Come here. Where's the other chicken? Come here. Come here.
No, red light, green light.
Got it.
Do not hit me.
Oh my.
Bro, put the sword down.
Hold on, I need this to kill the chickens over here. Ah!
You dead?
Guess so. Bro,
Bro, do not take my love. Do not take my love. I need to go over there quickly before he takes all my stuff. I'll kill him before he can take them, which means he doesn't hear me right now. Bro, he doesn't hear me. Oh my god.
Bro, you there?
Oh, snap. Look at this, bro. A grenade. Yeah, I'm here. Oh, yes! Yes.
There's a crowbar on the ground.
Wait, can we break that box with that crowbar? Bro, can you hear me, by the way?
Hasta beast up, baby.
Yo, I'm about to go kill this kid.
Do it. Good job.
I got a revolver! Ah! Oh my god! Bro, where are you? Come here, come here, come here, come back. I'm gonna throw a grenade. Okay, bro. Wait, where are you? Where are you? Let me see, let me see, let me see. Let me
It's
see.
already in my bag.
Let me see, bro.
Well, it's ammo.
Let me see it,
It's
bro.
already ammo. It's ammo.
Oh.
You can have that. What is
See,
it?
bro? Action.
Oh yeah, that's.
Okay. Ah! I got a gun. I'm not afraid to use it. Hold on. I gotta go get more. I gotta go get more. Give me that flashlight so I can go get more ammo for my shotgun. Yeah, my revolver. Whatever you want. I call it a revolver.
Yo, you there or you dead?
Got him. Bro, okay, bro. Ah!
Hello?
Yo, hold up. I'm here. Oh gosh. Okay, bro.
What?
Here.
Did you?
Oh, I gotta fart so bad. I want that. It's a bomb. You get that. Oh,
I already got a whole
I'll
can.
break this. I'll break this. Real quick. Back up. That's my talkies, bro. Give me my talkies.
Sorry,
back.
that's an MRE.
My talkies, bro.
Okay.
All right. I'm gonna. Okay, there's gems.
Go.
Gems. Get this. Get this. There's shotgun ammo. There's this. Get those.
Oh,
Bro, why would you hit
sorry.
me?
I didn't mean to.
Oh, I'm damaging. Did I just get damaged? Here. As soon as this is a limited stuff here. Because look. So what we're gonna do is every single time this kid spawns, we're gonna keep on killing him. You get it? It's infinite.
Oh yeah.
Bro, see, it's an infinite loot glitch. Like
Yo, can I get one?
oh my god.
That's none of use.
All right. Well,
Bro's thinking about it.
no, we don't need those. That's
Should
why I
be.
threw them.
We could have used that.
Oh, actually,
Yo, there's revolver ammo.
wait, where?
Right here.
Thank you, bro. Where did it go? Yo, did you take it? Give it back.
No. There's another revolver.
Where is it
Yeah.
over here then? I don't see it over here.
Okay, I don't know. I didn't.
Come here.
I'm trying to be over there so I can just kill them.
All right, come on. Are we ready?
Yep, right where you spawned. I'm just gonna punch him. Or not.
Oh my god. This is useful though. Look, okay. But you might want to back off. I can shoot this and it will explode. Look.
I want to waste.
Alright, as soon as he spawns, we're gonna start bazooking him. I don't know what bazooka means, but it's whatever.
Yo, can I take your revolver? So you're not using it?
No, I'm trying to do something so I can kill him.
Okay.
I'm gonna flashbang him. He will be frozen. We will kill him. Okay, that's our plan.
Okay.
We have another one right here for us to use. Okay.
Okay.
We're geniuses, right?
Yeah. I'd say after that we should go up. We should try and get a spawner. We should go up. We should get more bags. Flash them.
Don't look.
Get up.
Okay.
Get him.
Got him.
Okay.
Oh no, that's mine. That's mine.
Oh